Assalamu alaikum everyone, it's me Fiza Siraj, and today we are going to learn about transpiration. So what is transpiration? Transpiration is the loss of water from a plant in the form of water vapor. Water is absorbed by roots from the soil and transported as liquid to the leaves via xylem. In the leaves, small pores allow water to escape as a vapor. Now what is the importance of transpiration? Transpiration helps to keep the plant cool in hot weather. It supports photosynthesis and encourages the exchange of gases, helping maintain level of carbon dioxide and oxygen in the atmosphere, create water vapor that forms into fog and clouds, absorption of mineral nutrients and water from roots to shoots. And for this experiment I use a Ziploc bag and a string. A Ziploc bag and a string are the most important tool or instrument, we can say, for this experiment. Then you're just gonna find a plant with some leaves that are gonna be indirectly in sunlight for 2-3 hours. So grab a whole bunch of leaves or plant, whatever, that fit in the bag and put them, and then wrap your bag around it so there is no air coming, and then seal it off with the string. So what you guys think that what is transpiration? Simply we can say that transpiration is that plants transpiring is like human sweating. Human sweating and transpiration in plants are like mostly same thing. So after about 15 minutes we notice some changes in that bag. A little bit water is already starting to evaporate. Plants transpiration is an invisible process, but I hope through this experiment you understand the concept, or you understand the process of transpiration comprehensively. So here is the results of that experiment. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum everyone, it's me Fiza Siraj, and today we are going to learn about electrolysis, its importance, and what are the example of electrolysis. Electrolysis is the process by which electric current is passed through a substance to effect a chemical change. The chemical change is one in which the substance loses or gains an electron. The process is carried out in an electrolytic cell, an apparatus consisting of positive and negative electrode held apart and dipped into a solution containing positively and negatively charged ions. The substance to be transformed may form the electrode, may constitute the solution, or may be dissolved in the solution. Electric current enters through the negatively charged electrode. Components of the solution travel to the electrode, combine with the electrons, and are transformed. The products can be neutral elements or new molecules. Components of the solution also travel to the other electrode, give up their electrons, and are transformed to neutral element or new molecules. If the substance to be transformed is the electrode, the reaction is often one in which the electrode dissolved by giving up electrons. Now what is the importance of electrolysis? Electrolysis is used extensively in metallurgical process, such as in extraction or purification of metals from ores or compounds, and in deposition of metal from solution. Metallic sodium and chlorine gas are produced by the electrolysis of molten sodium chloride. Electrolysis of an aqueous solution of sodium chloride yields sodium hydroxide and chlorine gases. Now what is the example of electrolysis? Clear example of electrolysis is the decomposition of water, like the breakdown of water into hydrogen and oxygen by means of an electric current. The same process can be used to decompose. Thank you so much.